In case of a plant failure, it is of great importance to have access to an extensive knowledge database. Ondeso offers the possibility to record all relevant service information in a central logbook. The information stored there can support rapid fault diagnosis and troubleshooting. Known problems can be solved faster by a search in the history. The reliable and digital transfer of operating personnel during shift changes is also possible without any problems. The entries can be recorded both on the devices themselves and in the control room. Thus, a continuous documentation of all incidents is possible. The data collected is stored on your own systems and can be used to identify the main areas of malfunction. Ondeso enables you to create both regular and demand-oriented reports and evaluations at the touch of a button. Ondeso, industrial IT made in Germany. Designed for industrial usability.